Hey guys, Penny here from Monaco Nail Academy. Over the next few minutes I'm going to show you how to get perfect points using gel polish so that you can paint these gorgeous star nails. This was actually a request from Tara at Monaco Beauty Studio, so give her a follow when you're done with this video. I'm starting out with 2 coats of Artistic Color Gloss in Love Marriage Prenup. I'm working with a Be Creative orange brush and Artistic Color Gloss in Bride. The star of the show is going to be one big star in the middle here, so let's do that one first, and then I'll also show you how to do some little ones. So the way that I like to do stars is to start with the crossbar, so the arms of the star. I want as little polish on my brush as possible, but I want the brush to be fully loaded so I don't have to keep re-dipping. I'm going to draw a straight line for the arms of the star. And I'm revisiting the points to make sure that they're extra sharp. I generally tend to line in the head of the star next, so find the center point and then go up by the height of what you want the star to be. Line out a triangle and then fill it in, taking extra care to add that point to the top of the star when there is the least amount of product on your brush. Use really fine pressure to make sure that you get it nice and sharp. Lots of us have grown up drawing a star kind of like an asterisk, so that's kind of what I'm going to do here. I'm going to take these lines and carefully continue them down. If they end up too long, we can wipe them off. It's not a big deal. So I'm going to continue both. I draw them down as long as I'm comfortable doing, and then we're going to connect the arms. Before you touch your brush down to the nail, just get a feel for where you think the line should go, the direction, so that it's almost like muscle memory when the brush touches the nail. Place the brush just before where you want the point to be, because at this moment it has the most product on it, and that's not going to make for a sharp point. We can come back for that. You can see me dragging out the point at the foot and returning to what I guess would be the hand in this analogy, to drag out that point as well. Let's color in that area. Same on the other side, just practicing the line before your brush touches the nail. And then returning to sharpen the points. Let's cure this one and then move on to smaller stars. While it's curing, feel free to share this video onto your page and show your clients what you're capable of. For a baby star, we're going to bring out a stylus tool. Pick up a generous amount of product and put it down onto the nail where you want your star to be centered. And with a clean-ish brush, I have not cleaned it, but I also haven't picked up new product, we're going to stretch out the 5 points. Starting in the center, let's stretch out the head. Then the arms. And then the feet. A smaller dot will make for a smaller star. After finishing the nail with Artistic Glossing Gel, we have the finished product. You can find the Art of Fine Lines, one of our online nail art modules, on our website at www.monaco.ac.nz if you want to go more in depth about how we do all of our fine line work. Before you disappear though, please give us a like or a follow. It really helps what we're trying to do with these videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.